Welcome to Bizzymind tutorials and entertainment.
Today we're going to be looking at how to center an image on a page in your website. So as you can see on my screen, I already have my basic HTML structure. You can see that I have my HTML tags, I have my head tag, and I have my body tags. In between my head tag, I already have my title tags, which I have titled Center an Image on a Web Page. That's my title tag. This is my CSS style sheet I have linked in this HTML document. This is my body tags. So in between the body tags, we'll be displaying our image. That's where we'll be writing our image. This is my CSS style sheet I've linked here. This is a style sheet, is blank. We've not written anything on it, so I have to link it here. So whatever I write in that CSS style sheet, it will display, it will take effect in my HTML document. So that's how. So now let's write our image. Let's make our image appear on our web page. So let's write out our image. So we say img source, which is image source. So the name of the image I'll be using is test image.png. So that's the name for my image. So we have to save it. After writing it, save it. So after saving it, we have to test run it. So we have to go to our Google Chrome or any browser that you have. You have to run it to see how it looks. So you make sure you're opening the file, which is the HTML file. I have inserted that picture. You can see my picture already displayed here. This is my Google Chrome displaying my web page. This is my web page. So, but you can see the picture is at the left, and we want it to be at the center of the web page. When we open it in Google Chrome, we want this picture to be at the center, not positioned at the left. So let's go back now to our CSS style sheet. So in this style sheet, this is where we are going to be writing the style, how we want it to be at the center. So you're going to write it in this CSS style sheet, which is empty or blank for now. So to do that, we are targeting the body. Since the image is in between the body tags, first of all, you will write body, then you will now write img, which stands for image, since it's an image file. So the first thing you want to write here now is to write display block. So you say display block. Then you come down and you say margin. So margin is going to be 0 auto. That's what you use for margin, 0 auto. So these are the two basic lines you need to display that image. You want the image to be at the middle of the screen, so you save it, then you go back to Google Chrome to preview the image to see if it has actually gone or if it has actually been repositioned to the middle of the screen or on the middle of your web page. So let's preview it now. So since we've targeted the img, so we will go to run now at the top of the application, at the top of notepad plus plus. You go to run, say run. So you make sure it's on that particular document. As you can see, it has now been repositioned and it now stays at the middle of the web page. So that's how you basically center an image on your web page. It's as simple as that. So you can see it's seated at the middle.